Hey guys, welcome to our Lifestyle Family A and B channel. Snap a pic of this recipes list and we're about to start. This is a delicious recipe for hummus. Super creamy, tangy, and delicious. Better than what you'll find at the restaurant. I hope you guys enjoy. Hit like at the end of the video for more like this.